Most people can speak English, but this one mistake makes them sound unclear, unnatural, or less confident. Welcome back to my channel. If you're just joining, this is Learn English with Gifty. Today, I will explain active and passive voice so simply that you'll never confuse them again. Now, choosing the wrong voice can change the meaning of your sentence. Let's fix that step by step. Active voice means the subject is doing the action. For example, she wrote the report. She is the subject and wrote is the action. This is how native speakers speak most of the time. Now, did you notice something? You can immediately see who did what. That's the power of active voice. I cooked dinner. You see who did the action. For passive voice is different. Here, the action happens to the subject, and the person doing the action may come later or even disappear completely. For example, the report was written by her. The action happened to the subject. So, passive voice often uses be plus past participle. For example, was sent, is made, were broken. This gives the passive voice structure. Okay? Look, both sentences are correct, but they focus on different things. Active focuses on who did it, while passive focuses on what happened. So, I know you might be wondering, okay, when should I use active voice? Now, you use active voice in conversations, emails, presentations, and storytelling. It makes you sound confident and natural. But see, sometimes passive voice is actually better, especially when the action matters more than the person. Now, passive voice is often used to avoid responsibility. That's why active voice is usually stronger. Look at these two sentences. The decision was made and we made the decision. Pause the video and think. Which one sounds clearer? Good, exactly. Active voice wins. See, if you remember this, your English will instantly sound better. If this video helped you, please like, share with your friends, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye. See you next week.